Everybody's all excited about the latest arrival from GoPro, the Hero 9 Black, and I'm no different. When my parcel arrived, I tore into it like a raccoon into a fresh bag of potato crisps, and I'm seeing tons of reviews, all about the stabilization and the horizon lock. Great features to be sure, aye, but what really got my knickers in a knot was a feature called Hindsight. Hindsight is like some sort of voodoo magic, and I can't explain the science of it, but I'll demonstrate. So let's say you're driving along and you've got your camera turned on, but it's no recording because you're being a wee bit stingy with the battery. Well, call it thrifty if you like. But either way, some shenanigans suddenly happen right in front of the bonnet, and you say, oh, that would have made a smashing video for YouTube, I could have made a fortune. Or somebody clips your bumper. Oh, my insurance company would love to see that, so they'd ken it was no my fault. Well, with Hindsight, you can go back in time. It goes like this. You say, GoPro, start recording. Brilliant. And they say technology can't understand a Scottish accent. Suddenly it's capturing all the action, plus 30 seconds in the past. That could be a lifesaver. It's like that film, Back to the Future, only it's in reverse. It's forward to the past. And that makes this camera worth every penny.